This is the probe. I'm gonna make a probe, and this is the anemometer right here, and then this is the text. Team Torminator probe. Looks like tornadovideos.net looking. Yeah. Yeah, this is my probe I'm making. This is it's my first probe. It's gonna be sent out for storm chasing. So yeah. So bye guys. Alright guys, yeah, the tornado probe is done. Torminator probe is done. My first probe I made. It's gonna be a camera probe. I know the tape is kind of covering the whole thing because struggled to put a lot of stuff on it. So yeah, I got done with this right after I stopped my first video of this probe when it was in the maid. This probe right here on the other side. I'm not sure you can see it. I'm not sure you can see it. Let me see. Has Team Torminator probe on there. Has a rain gauge, collect the water data, and then a fake mesonet for decoration, just to make the probe realistic. It's an industrial probe. It looks like Dorothy. It looks like Dorothy. So yeah, can't wait to go drop this thing in storms before I make the Torminator 2 cardboard interceptor. And also shout out to Team Warrior. So yeah, bye guys, and never stop chasing. Put the probe down, put the probe down.